The video you just watched was made using this free AI video generator. Not too long ago, the best AI video generators like Veo 3 were charging over $100 a month just to generate a few seconds of video. That's exactly why I went digging and found 3 of the best free AI video generators available right now, and one of them lets you use Seedance 2 completely free. Let's get started. The AI tools I'm going to be showing you in this video require a strict setup process, so make sure to stay tuned and don't skip a step, and I will show you how you can access it and stream for completely free and unlimited. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So this right here is the first AI tool I'm going to be showing you that lets you use Seedance 2, and don't worry about the link because I'll provide it at the end of this, so make sure to stay tuned and don't skip a step. So with this AI tool, all you have to do is head over here and click on AI Creation, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. If you look, you can see that it has an image and video generator as well that lets you use Seedance 2 right here, as you can see. And if you look around, you can see that there's no place for credits. That's to show you that this is completely free. So before we test out the Seedance 2 model, let's test out the image generator. So I'm gonna click right here and type in a prompt for this. I can say realistic image of a dog walking in a park, just like this. And you can as well upload reference images and change up the aspect ratio. I'm just gonna leave it as is and send this over, and it's currently generating our image for us. So just give it a couple of minutes while it generates, and in no time, we have these beautiful results right here. Isn't this just amazing? No weird glitches, no cheap AI feel, and you get real quality when it comes to this, and you can click right here and download them straight into your device. So now I've showed you how well it generates images. Let me show you the Seedance 2 model. So all you have to do is head back to AI Creation and hover over here and select videos. Once again, you can see that Seedance 2 is selected here. You can take this to Seedance 1, but Seedance 2 is what we're going to be using for this, and you can type in your prompt. I can say, realistic video of a woman walking down the street, and send this over. Now, do keep in mind that at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the best, most realistic AI tool as currently out there for me and you to use, and in no time we have this beautiful video right here. Let's play it and take a look. And wasn't that just great? And you can save this straight into your device by clicking right here. Now, without wasting any more time, this right here is the link to the AI tool, so make sure to check it out. So this is the second AI tool we're going to be talking about in this video, and this actually allows you to use Seedance 2, but nobody actually knows that, because if you click right here and you select the Quen 3.6 Plus, right here, make sure you have it selected. You can click right here, and if you look around, you can see you can create both images and videos. But let's jump straight into the video generator by clicking right here on Create Video. Before typing in your prompt, you can select the aspect ratio for this. I'll go with 1:1, and I can say a realistic video of a man wearing a coat walking down a dark alley. Just like this. And you can send this over right here, and it's currently using Seedance 2 to generate our video for us right here. So just give it a couple of seconds while it generates, and in no time, we have this beautiful video right here. Once again, let's take a look at it. Wasn't that great? No weird morphing, no distortion, and it's adhered to the prompt perfectly. You can notice how high the quality you get with this is, and there's absolutely no watermark that comes with this. So you can click right here on download, and it will be downloaded straight into your device, so make sure to test it out. This right here is the AI tool, and now currently for the best free way to use Seedance 2 right now, which is this website right here, and many people are not talking about this. But this actually lets you use Seedance 2. It's a Chinese model, and I'll be revealing the name at the end. If you look around, you can see that there is no credit system or payment plan. So just create your account and verify it, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. If you click right here, you can see the multimodal experience, and it has lots and lots of amazing models for me and you to use, like the image generator, which we can test out by clicking right here and typing in a simple prompt or using one of the presets right here, like this one right here, and the speed it uses to generate this is truly, truly immaculate. And in no time, we have a beautiful image. Do keep in mind that this can be any prompt of your choice, and it is completely free and unlimited. So now let's head back to the multimodal experience and test out the video generator by clicking right here. And do keep in mind that this is currently the most realistic image video model you can use out there. You can even push the resolution all the way up to 1080p right here. And uploading your image for this, I'm going to be uploading an image of a woman standing on the sidewalk, and she has pink hair. So all you have to do now is type in your prompt. So I'm just going to use a simple image to video prompt, like I can say she walks in motion and touches her hair just like this. And you can either use the prompt enhancer or not, but for this, I'm going to use it because it makes the overall video better. And click on Generate Now, and your video is currently being generated. Let's give it a couple of seconds as well. And once again, this uses Seedance 2 to generate. And in no time, our video is done generating. Let's take a look. And wasn't that just great? No word morphing again, no word distortion, and that is the amazing quality you get with Seedance 2. And this right here is the link to the AI tool, so make sure to check it out.